Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great learning this language great way. Today I'm talk about you my goal. You know, I have took these 30 days challenges. Yes, and it is my 8 days. And every day I'm trying to take these actions. Every day I'm trying to learn this language. Yes guys, because I'm so happy. Every day I'm trying to speak English. Yes guys. Okay, let's go. I have start my video, and today I'm talk about you my goal. My goal is improve my English. I want to speak English confidently. I practice English every day. Yes, guys, every day I'm practice English because I want to improve my communication skill. I want to speak English without hesitations, and every day I want to improve my grammar. Every day I'm try to my best efforts. I want to improve my making this sentence grammar structures. Yes guys, and I want to learn this vocabulary every day. Yes guys, because you can speak English. Vocabulary is so important. Vocabulary is a you are lots of make this sentence. Yes guys, and I want to help my student in the learning English, and I want to become a better English teachers, and I want to finally independence, because my goal is so important, and I will never ever give up, because English is a English. I'm fascinated about this language, and English is my life, my desire, my goal. Yes, guys, and you want to really, you can speak English. You will start now. Every day you are small take these actions. Your small sections, your big results. After that, your big results. Okay guys, and every day you try to learn this everything's. You describe these things, your feelings, your thoughts. You're making these videos. You're recording yourself, because you are recording yourself. You are remove your hesitation, you are remove your fear. Okay, thank you watching this my video is like and subscribe. You can do, you can speak, and I will meet next video. I will meet next challenge. Bye bye.